vamos.
Time, distance, speed. Speed. The distance covered by a vehicle in 1 hour is known as its speed per hour. Unit of speed. The units of time and distance determine the unit of speed. Speed can be measured in units such as kilometers per hour, meters per minute, and meters per second.
Telling the time. 12-hour clock system. We do our daily practices considering a 12-hour time frame. But in this kind of time telling, same time happens to occur twice a day. Before noon, AM, ante-meridium. The period from midnight, that is 12 o'clock at night, to midday or noon is called before noon or AM. Afternoon. PM. Post meridium. The period from midday to midnight is called afternoon or PM.
Telling the time. 24-hour clock system. A 24-hour clock system is used in railway and bus timetables. Time is not told in terms of before noon or afternoon, that is AM and PM. Instead, a 24-hour clock is used. In this system, the time starts from 12:00 in the midnight. The time 12:00 in the midnight is termed as 0 hours in the 24-hour clock system. That is 00:00.
Remember, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. And 7 days is equal to 1 week. 365 days is equal to 1 year. Addition of periods of time. Add 3 hours, 15 minutes, 40 seconds and 2 hours, 20 minutes, 35 seconds. Here, hours, minutes and seconds have been added separately. The sum of the seconds is 75. We know that 60 seconds makes 1 minute. Let us convert 75 seconds into minutes. 75 seconds is equal to 1 minute and 15 seconds. Let us add this 1 minute to the sum of the minutes, that is 35 minutes. So we get 36 minutes. On adding, if the sum of seconds is more than 60, convert them into minutes. Similarly, if the sum of minutes is more than 60, convert them into hours. Now, let us solve the example. 3 hours, 15 minutes greater than the number from which it is to be subtracted, borrow from the minutes or hours and convert them into seconds or minutes respectively. So let us look at the example. We have 5 hours, 45 minutes and 20 seconds. We have to subtract 2 hours, 10 minutes and 35 seconds from it. As we cannot subtract 35 seconds from 20 seconds, let us borrow 1 minute from 45 minutes. That makes 45 as 44 minutes. Let us convert this 1 minute into seconds. So we get 60 seconds. Let us add the 60 seconds to the 20 seconds that we already have with us. So now we have 80 seconds with us. When we subtract 25 seconds from this given 80 seconds, the remainder is 45 seconds. Let us take a look at the minute block. We had 45 minutes, from which we lent 1 minute to the second. So, in all we have 44 minutes now. When we subtract 10 minutes from this 44 minutes, the remainder is 34 minutes. Let us take a look at the hours block. When we subtract 2 hours from 5 hours, the answer is 3 hours. Hence, when we subtract 2 hours, 10 minutes and 35 seconds from 5 hours, 45 minutes and 20 seconds, the answer is 3 hours, 34 minutes and 45 seconds. To calculate the period, the number of days in each month is given below. January month has 31 days. February month has 28 days. March month has 31 days. April month has 30 days. May month has 31 days. June month has 30 days. July month has 31 days. August month has 31 days. September month has 30 days. October month has 31 days. November month has 30 days. And December month has 31 days. February has 29 days in a year. Now let us see how to calculate the duration of an event in days. Example, Sudhabai bought 2 liters of milk daily from Viva. If she bought milk from 12th November 2005 to 3rd March 2006, for how many days did she buy milk? How much did she pay Viva for the milk she bought at the rate of rupees 18 per liter? Let us solve this. First, we will have to find out the number of days for which